Hello dear fans. What is a sales market? Economics with its terminology has firmly entered modern life. Even school children easily operate with the conceptual apparatus, using the words business, market, etc. in speech. However, some categories have complex semantics, and therefore vocabulary errors are not uncommon. As early as the 16th century, the economist Juan de Matienzo tried to describe a phenomenon that later became known as a sales market in economic theory. The sales market, according to modern views, is the niche that a company can occupy in the open market to distribute its services and products. On a territorial basis, a sales market can be local, regional, national, worldwide. There is also a division into domestic and foreign sales markets, working with their own product and imports, respectively. According to the objects of exchange, items of trade, the following markets are distinguished. Means of production, goods and services, financial, intellectual property. The consumer as a source of profit. The sales market for any goods and services focuses on four types of consumers. The first type includes consumers who purchase products and use the services of the same firm. The second is the users of products and services using what competing firms offer. The third type of consumers includes people who have an idea about certain offers of various companies, but do not use them. The fourth type is made up of consumers who have no idea about the products and services that firms offer. Each company or each manufacturer of various products tries to do everything possible to promote their offerings and make a profit. For continuous development and generating more income, it is necessary to attract new customers and maintain the interest of your regular customers. For this, it is necessary to study the marketing features of market sales in different territorial types. Market volume. Market capacity is characterized by such a trait as market capacity. It represents the number of products and services that can be sold in a specific market in a given time period. Market capacity can change. It depends on the demand for various products and services. During a period of increased demand, the market capacity increases. It decreases when the demand for products and services decreases. In order to attract customers to their offers, various companies use all kinds of methods, the most famous of which is advertising. Advertising makes it possible to make goods and services more visible and marketed in a specific area of marketing. Before products go on sale, companies conduct market research to determine where their products will be most in demand among consumers of various categories. This is called consumer market analysis. Thanks for watching.